Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe and you are staying at home. Today I have brought a very different type of video for you all. So please stay till the end of this video. You will get many things over here in this video today. And I have calculated some birth dates. We recently had a loss of two legendary actors, two legendary cinema actors. I have just made a video and I have calculated their birth dates. So there is something which I want to share with you all. See, many people are now giving knowledge about what was it, what had happened to them, like that. I am talking about Rishi Kapoor and Irfan Khan. So I have calculated some points which I wanted to share with you very eagerly. So friends, just stay tuned over here in this video till the end. I am Jayashree Agrawal. I am a numerologist, tarot card reader, spiritual healer, clinical hypnotherapist, and into many healing modalities. I have a passion of making these videos and sharing my knowledge to you all, and I'm very grateful to all the subscribers, to all the people who watch my video. They enjoy it, and they give me lots of suggestions, comments, and I try to bring those topics to you. Okay, I will talk first about Rishi Kapoor. His birth date was 4th of September 1952, and many people they will tell you about the characteristic, what he has achieved, in which year he has got awards. I'm not going into all that things. And there is also one more legendary which we just lost in these days. It is Irfan Khan, and his birth date is 7th of January 1967. So friends, there was a lot of common points between them. I have done a very much calculations, and I have calculated everything, and then what I came out, I'll just put some light on that thing. Okay friends, so they both had a lot of common points in them. Do you want to know them? And it will be very helpful for you all also in that thing. So let's start. 4th of September, for Rishi Kapoor, he was Virgo sign according to the sun sign, and he was ruled, or he was belonging to the earth element. In the same way, Irfan Khan, 7th of January, that is a Capricorn according to the sun sign, and it is also an earth element. राशि जो है वो earth element की है. So both had the earth element. Both could not see their mother or go for her last breath. As I have seen, or even you all might be knowing, कि Rishi Kapoor and Irfan Khan, when they had lost their mother, they couldn't go for that last rituals which they had to do. So it was that both of them had cancer and tumor, which was detected in 2018. That is the year in 2018. They both were ruled somewhere or the other by number 4. Number 4 means Rishi Kapoor की जो birth date थी 4th of September, so he was ruled by number 4. And if you calculate the total birth date of Irfan Khan, it is number 4 total over there also. So both are major numbers which are very important in numerology, and both the numbers, they came up on the 4. So I just wanted to put a light on this, कि when they had left this earth or left their souls, it was the month of April. That is the month of fourth month, and it is also a Taurus period. So it was an earth element also in this period. And according to the calculations and according to numerology, first of all, 4 और 9 का थोड़ा सा तालमेल कम बैठता है. 4 का, 9 का, 8 का, these are not a very healthy group or friendly numbers. तो यहाँ पर ये दोनों भी जो थे, they were somewhere or the other 9 नंबर का इम्पैक्ट उनके लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा था. Irfan was in his 54th year when he died, and Rishi Kapoor was also in the pinnacle of 9 number. So accordingly there was some impact of 9 number also in this period. April का month जो 4th है, then it was in the earth element. So somewhere or the other, all these calculations together with दोनों की भी birth date से, it is somewhere or the other putting a light to us from where we are in this current situation in the world. So over here, what I wanted to just make you notice is we are in the year 2020, and you might have seen my previous videos. I have uploaded many things about this year. So 2020 is a year of 4. So अगर हम 2020 को ऐड करते हैं तो the total comes on 4. So यहाँ पर what I can see is 4th जो number है, it is not very good for the earth, because the full world, the full earth is suffering from this virus, or from so many up downs that are coming. Financial instability हो गया है, then job का हो गया है, या फिर health का हो गया है, risk to life. It's not at all safe to move out or go anywhere. So like that, lots of things are disturbing in this point. The 4 number, according to the astrology, is also the house of mother house. It is for your education, your goals, and earth, the element earth, it relates stability and the ability to reach one's goals. So friends, here I just wanted to tell you कि सब लोग आज अपने घरों में बैठे हैं, घरों में सेफली बैठे हैं. So somewhere or the other, the mother earth or our house, it is giving us protection. But we as a child of earth, we as a child of our mother, it is our duty to return it back. It's time for us to return whatever we can to Mother Earth in the form of blessings, in the form of caring, or in the form of abundance what we can provide to Mother Earth. Are you ready with me? I am giving you some tips which you can follow, which you can use, and it will be a very, very divine work from all of us if we provide some things to our Mother Earth. Mother Earth ने हमें बहुत कुछ दिया है, हमें पाला पोसा, हमारा जो भी लाइफ में हम लोग आए हैं to complete our karmas, it has supported us in each and every way. So today is the time to return some small forms of gratitude to Mother Earth. So what I wanted to tell you is, we can bless Mother Earth. Okay, so how you will bless Mother Earth? See, you can have, if you have any posters like these of Mother Earth. I have, see, I follow PVH, and PVH is doing a very divine work. So in this way you can take a poster of a globe, or you can take it on your mobile, image of the earth, or you can just imagine the globe or the Mother Earth over here. So you have a very good time now to heal Mother Earth. Okay friends, so before that what I wanted to tell you is you can use maximum clear quartz crystal. अगर आप उसका यूज़ करते हो, जो स्फटिक बोलते हैं, इट्स अ वेरी नाइस जेम स्टोन. इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस स्टोन विच विल गिव यू लॉट्स ऑफ हीलिंग, क्लैरिटी, क्लियरेंस ऑफ योर स्पेस. तो उसको आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूज़ कीजिए. माला के फॉर्म में रहता है, पिरामिड्स, बॉल्स. सो प्लीज़ यूज़ लॉट्स ऑफ क्लियर क्वार्ट्ज क्रिस्टल्स. इफ़ इट्स नॉट अवेलेबल नाउ फॉर यू, just when you are doing healing meditations, imagine you are sitting in a pyramid of a clear quartz crystal, and then you do, so the energies will generate from that also. The other points which I have noted for you is, now it's time for us to go within ourselves. आपको अपने अंदर जाना है और अपने अंदर से ही आंसर्स ढूंढने हैं. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट कोइंसिडेंस कि पूरा वर्ल्ड आज स्टॉप हो गया है. यूनिवर्स वांट्स अस टू टेल समथिंग. इट इज़ गिविंग अस सम मैसेज विच only some people which are able to relate. What I wanted to tell you is, आप अभी अपने अंदर जाइए, अपने अंदर खुद से बात कीजिए और चेक कीजिए वॉट आर द थिंग्स नेसेसरी फॉर यू. कौन सी चीज़ें आपको हील करना ज़रूरी है, कौन सी चीज़ें गिव अप करना है. बिकॉज फ्रेंड्स, वॉट इज़ नाउ इज़ द टाइम हैज़ चेंज्ड. इट हैज़ टोटली ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड. सो इट्स आवर टाइम to change ourselves, change our being, change the pattern in which we are living, working, or whatever you are doing from so many decades. It's our time to change everything. So जो इस टाइम के साथ में चेंज हो जाएगा, ऑटोमेटिकली वो आगे के लिए अपने आप को बराबर वो उसको कर पाएगा या सस्टेन रह पाएगा. बिकॉज जो 4 नंबर है, इट इज़ राहु का नंबर, एंड इट टेल्स अस कि वी शुड bring some new innovative ideas, bring some new pattern of being, bring some new ways, new, which will not be the old beaten tracks. So just see, अगर आप भी आपके पास में फिर से लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड हो रहा है, you have time to go within yourself, check which is your belief system, which is your pattern in life, or what is your behavior that needs a change. Go and change it. Friends, this is the best time to work on yourself. Okay, increase your immunity power, have healthy foods. फॉर दैट इवन पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग. देखिए, जो वायरसेस, बैक्टीरियाज, डिजीज़ रहते हैं वो हमारे लोअर फ्रीक्वेंसीज़ पे आते हैं. तो अगर हम अपने आप को और ज़्यादा हैप्पी, मोटिवेटेड, पॉजिटिव थॉट्स, बीइंग इन द वे ऑफ फॉरगिवनेस एंड ग्रैटिट्यूड, जो कुछ भी आज तक आपके साथ में हुआ है, प्लीज़ उसको फॉरगिव कर दीजिए. ग्रैटिट्यूड रहिए. जो हमारे को मिला है, एक्चुअली वी आर द सर्वाइवर्स, वी आर द बेस्ट इन वेरी गुड पोजीशन टुडे. सो बी इन ग्रैटिट्यूड. जैसे आप ये वाले सब बीइंग्स में आ जाओगे, ऑटोमेटिकली आपका जो फ्रीक्वेंसी लेवल्स बढ़ जाएगा, योर इम्यूनिटी पावर विल इंक्रीज, एंड विद दैट इफ़ यू आर willing to have a very nice healthy lifestyle, so you will be safe and secured. So what I want to tell you is, आपको अभी जो ग्लोब का एक इमेजिन करना है अपने दोनों हथेलियों के बीच में, या फिर आप जब you can do a very good meditation. That is, we had learnt in pranic healing, that is the twin heart meditation. It's a really very powerful meditation. Please, it's about 20 minutes or 25 minutes. If you get the link, I'll try to share it. If you get that link also of twin heart meditation, which is a form of giving blessings to Mother Earth, and it is really very powerful meditation. So please do that also if possible. So what you have to do is, just you have to take both your hands in this blessings position. Imagine a white light that is coming from the universe going in your heart chakra, and you have to just take breath, close your eyes, and imagine that white light, blessings light, is going out from your heart chakra, from your both the hands, and imagine a globe in front of you and give the blessings to Mother Earth. With that, you can also tell a small gratitude prayer. O Divine Mother, please forgive us for all our wrongdoings done to you and your children. You are our provider for all that we have and need. You are our home. You are our mountains, our rivers, our skies, our land that keeps us all alive. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, in this way, you can give blessings to Mother Earth, to the full humanity, to the full globe. You can imagine a white light that is going. It has created a protective shield all around the globe, and everyone are getting healed. They are getting transformed. They are going within themselves, shedding out all the so friends, I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel for more motivations, for more insights which I will share with you. Please subscribe it, like it, share my videos, and lots of blessings and gratitude for you also. So you have